Over the years, I have tested a lot of different robot vacuums, but this one might just be the most advanced yet. It's the ECOVACS X8 Pro OMNI, a robot that changes the home cleaning game. With 18,000 pascals of suction power, a revolutionary OZMO roller mop, AI-powered navigation, and a fully automated Omni station, it delivers next-level cleaning power in a compact, sleek design. But the real question is, how does this roller mop right here compare to traditional dual-disc robot mops? After using both, I can confidently say that the X8 Pro OMNI is a serious upgrade in almost every single way. With 5 cats at home, keeping the floors clean is a consistent battle. Pet hair, litter, crumbs, it adds up really fast. Having a robot vacuum that can handle it all, run on a schedule, and clean itself is invaluable. I'm happy to report that the X8 Pro OMNI here is truly a set it and forget it cleaning solution. Before we continue on with this review though, let's wind it back to an unboxing and setup. So when you first get the X8 Pro OMNI, the first thing that you're going to notice is how surprisingly compact the packaging is, especially compared to other robot vacuums. Inside the box there are 3 trays. In the first tray you're going to find a quick start guide, some documentation, the ramp tray for the base, and a side brush for the robot. Then there's the second tray with the robot itself, which has a sleek black and gold design and it feels like an absolute tank. This thing is pretty heavy. And lastly, at the bottom of the box is the Omni station, which is much smaller and lighter than I expected it to be. Once you peel all the tape off, you just snap the tray on the bottom, plug the station in, and fill the clean water tank with clean water. The station also has a container for a cleaning solution behind the middle panel if you do have that on deck. Setup is super simple here. Just download the ECOVACS home app, connect the robot to Wi-Fi, and let it map out your space. One thing that I've always liked about ECOVACS vacuums is how intuitive the app is. You can easily schedule cleanings, adjust suction power, and set up no-go zones. I've been using the X2 OMNI to clean up litter daily, which is a robot that I reviewed maybe a year and a half ago, so I was very excited to see how the X8 Pro OMNI handles my home. Alright, so let's get into that and talk about mopping, because this is where the X8 Pro OMNI really sets itself apart. Most robot mops use 2 spinning pads, but all they really do is push around dirty water. They only clean themselves at the end of the cleaning cycle, so you're basically mopping with dirty pads the whole time. The X8 Pro OMNI changes that with its OZMO roller mop system. It uses a full-length roller that scrubs with fresh water the entire time thanks to 16 little nozzles that consistently rinse the mop. Dirty water, well, that gets sucked away into a separate tank, so every pass is clean. Even better is that it washes itself while it mops, not just after, so no streaks, no grime. And it's not just gliding either. This thing spins at 200 rotations per minute with 4,000 pascals of pressure, so it really scrubs. It even hugs baseboards and reaches into corners thanks to that floating design and extendable brush. With 5 cats running around, our floors get messy fast, so having something that actually cleans, not just wipes, is a total game changer. If you're tired of streaks and the consistent upkeep, this robot might just be the one that you're looking for. Next, let's move on to power. The X8 Pro OMNI is an absolute beast. It has 18,000 pascals of suction power, which makes it the most powerful robot vacuum that I've ever tested. Having one too many cats at home, I know firsthand how quickly pet hair, litter, and dust can pile up. The difference before and after a cleaning session is literally night and day with this robot. It's like having a tiny tornado sweeping through your floors, pulling up everything from fine dust to large debris with ease. Whether it's hardwood, tile, or thick carpets, the X8 Pro OMNI automatically changes suction power to give the deepest clean possible. Something that every pet owner and long-haired person will appreciate though, that's the Zero Tangle 2.0 tech that this robot offers. If you've ever owned a robot vacuum before, you know how annoying it is when hair gets wrapped around the brush. It turns a cleaning routine into a maintenance nightmare. The X8 Pro OMNI completely solves this problem with a multi-layer anti-tangle system. It starts with the V-shaped roller design. Instead of a traditional flat brush that traps hair, this brush uses angled bristles in a V-shape, which guides hair towards the center of the roller instead of wrapping around it. The brush itself alternates between bristles and the rubber strips, which helps prevent long strands from sticking and getting tangled. As the brush spins around, a built-in angled comb continuously untangles the hair, breaking it apart before it has a chance to wrap around the roller. This means that there's less manual maintenance and no need to consistently cut hair out of the brush. To test this, I did sprinkle a mix of long hair and pet fur directly onto the floor. A regular robot vacuum brush would have been clogged within minutes. This one, the brush was completely clear after it ran, which was very impressive. For me, this is huge because again, with 5 cats, the last thing that I want to be doing is cutting hair out of the vacuum brush every few days. This is very smartly designed. As far as navigation goes, the X8 Pro OMNI does a fantastic job knowing where it's going, where it's been, and how to avoid obstacles in real time. It uses an embedded LiDAR sensor that allows it to effortlessly navigate around your home, including underneath furniture. It also has a true edge 3D sensor with an adaptive mop extension. What this means is that the robot stays close to obstacles while cleaning close to the edges. It can also detect the surface that it's on, the shape of the carpets in your home, and much more. As you can see in the app, it updates the floor plan as it's moving around, detecting objects, furniture, and even pets. The X8 Pro OMNI is easily up there in the top 3 robots that I've used when it comes to effortlessly navigating around. And lastly, for my smart home lovers, the X8 Pro OMNI is Matter compatible. That means that it seamlessly works with Apple HomeKit, Google Home, Alexa, or whatever smart home ecosystem you have set up. This integration makes it convenient, versatile, and ready to be a part of your home. Additionally, another unique feature is that the X8 Pro OMNI has the YIKO-GPT built in. These are its AI-powered features that allow you to give commands to the robot by chatting with it with your voice or with text. Okay, Yiko.
Go ahead.
Clean the house.
Okay, start vacuuming and mopping the whole house.
So final thoughts here to wrap this up. After putting the X8 Pro OMNI through its paces, do I think it's worth it? Yes, absolutely. Its incredible suction power, mopping ability, smart features, and next level cleaning tech make it one of the best robot vacuums out there right now. If you're tired of consistently cleaning, you want a set it and forget it cleaning solution, or you just want to level up your smart home automation game, the X8 Pro OMNI here is 100% worth considering. Well, that's all I got, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, what do you think of the X8 Pro OMNI? Does this look like a robot vacuum that you would use? Drop a comment and let me know below. And if you enjoyed this video, you know the drill. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button for much more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!